In this guide, we'll show you how to move files and folders in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Moving files and folders allows you to organize your computer and change where your items are stored. To get started, open File Explorer and locate the file or folder you want to move. One simple method is to click and hold the left mouse button on the file or folder, then drag it to your desired location, such as your desktop or another folder, and release it to drop it there. Another method is to right-click on the file or folder and select Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Then navigate to the location where you want it to go, right-click on an empty space, and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. If you want to move the file instead of copying it, you can use Ctrl+X to cut the file, then paste it in the new location using Ctrl+V. And that's it. You've successfully moved your file or folder. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides.